Minisita Milly Babalanda yasaba Abanyayuganda okulwanisa okushorora omu bantu abaine akakooko ka siriimu ng'okufiira ebbongo Lutaaya yarugireyo kwegamba ko aine akakooko ka siriimu abandi bakamureebera.
Has once again reminded us of the power of courage and advocacy. When Philip Bongole Lutaaya declared his HIV positive status more than 3 decades ago, he gave the epidemic a human face. He broke the silence, fought stigma, and inspired a national movement for compassion and awareness.
Bishop Obebeezi Bwankore, Associate Professor Right Reverend Sheldon Mwesigwa yayiga abebembezi b'amadiini okukwatanisa kuburira enjiri y'okulwanisa akakooko ka siriimu arikutangaza ngu abakutuura n'akakooko ka siriimu baine kumanya Ruhanga ab'okuba n'omushaho.
All your presentation, there is no single place where you mentioned the importance of religious leaders in the fight against HIV. Especially even in terms of, because you see, you talk about male circumcision, condoms, you don't put there Jesus. Jesus is also one of the scientific, advanced spiritual weapons to address HIV/AIDS.
Professor Pauline Kibwika Byachika yayereka ko habireho empinduka okuruga habwire bwa Philip Bongole Lutaaya abwembaza kubaho wajajansa n'obwire bwa kare obuyabire etariho aho yarabira ngo abantu bine kwegendesereza okureba ngo ihangatiri yagaruka enyuma.
Yes, they are the Philip Bongole Lutaayas, but they are a modified version of Philip Bongole Lutaaya. And why are they modified? Because of ARVs and nothing else. Because of ARVs, taking antiretroviral treatments. If you saw the pictures of Philip Bongole Lutaaya, the ones we see here are fine pictures.
Chairperson w'entebe ya Katana Bwambara District, Didas Tabaro, yatera abanyaddiini omuranga okwongeramu amaani omukulwanisa akakooko ka siriimu.
So members, ladies and gentlemen, whether the water is more, please do the protection. Don't take it for granted.
Chomukama Flavia urukurra abantu mihanga barikutuura n'akakooko ka siriimu yabereka ko barikureebera hari Philip Bongole Lutaaya bwa hati kandi nabo nibakora n'amaani okuyamba abantu abaine akakooko ka siriimu okumira emibazi yaabo aho yashaba gavumenti kubongeramu sente ez'okubayambaho kuronda abandi kandi bakabashomesa.
Manye omulimo guturakora kugira ngo turaza kwegesa community gwitu no gwa sente sitemu Abamerika bakakireba ngo ati bagarukire ati gavumenti ronde sente etuhi tugende turonda abasigire.
Philip Bongole Lutaaya niwe yabireho kubanza mu Uganda okurugayo kugamba ko aine akakooko ka siriimu kandi ogu akarabira n'omukweshongora kwongera kumanyisa abantu aha akakooko ka siriimu ija yafa aha 25/12 1989. Ndi Olivia Kamsime awatali West Omnimbara.
I now take this singular honor